My name is Alainn Bailey and I love to cook. I'm a mother of 4 and a nutritionist. I'm always on the lookout for new recipes that are nutritious, kid-friendly and super tasty. One of the challenges people have that they often tell me about is the fact that their kids won't eat fish. And I say, if you don't like to eat fish, you probably just haven't had it cooked properly. Today we're going to make a great comfort dish from my home country, Scotland, fish cakes. And it's a dish that no child can resist. Now this recipe I designed for kids that don't really like salmon. Cod is a more delicately flavoured fish, so we include the cod initially to get them to try it. And once they try them, they're going to really find them delicious. So the next thing we have to do is saute the vegetables.
Wait, what does saute mean?
Is to fry. Sauteing is to fry gently. So Fiamma, now we're going to combine all the ingredients together, okay? First of all, can you please just mix up those eggs for me? So we've all heard of the omega-3 fatty acids that are so good for brain development, for anti-inflammatory purposes. The most active form is docosahexaenoic acid. Say it out, docosahexaenoic acid.
Docosahexaenoic acid.
Now Fiamma, can you add the parsley? Next, a teaspoon of lemon rind. After that goes in 2 teaspoons of paprika. Put the vegetables in. The real secret ingredient is a tablespoonful of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of mustard. How's that looking, Fiamma?
Okay.
Looking good. Once we've roughly mixed it, we just push in flaked fish. So to portion it out, you get about a heaped serving spoon. Then you just bring it gently together in your hands and push down. So once we've finished making the fish cakes, all that remains for us to do is to saute them off in a little bit of olive oil. And now the fish cakes are ready. As you see, it flakes easily. How's that, Fiamma?
Delicious.
So for more nutritious, 100% kid-approved recipes, check out maisonette.com.